Are you frustrated by the limited amount of watch faces on your Apple Watch? In this video, I'm going to show you how you can put thousands of Apple Watch faces onto your Apple Watch, including some free premium ones from Buckle & Band. Okay, first of all, download the Clockology app for your iPhone. This will also install the app for your Apple Watch. Now, once installed, you need to change this setting. Go to the Watch app for your iPhone, go to Settings, General, scroll down to Return to Clock. And you want to change this from the default 2 minutes to 1 hour. And the reason is because the Clockology app is an app. It's not actually a native Apple Watch face. So you want to make sure that it's displaying the app all of the time. Okay, now that's done, we need to install the beta file to enable syncing. Don't worry about that. I'll put a link at the end of the video for that one. And then we need to find some Apple Watch faces. The best place if you want to find replica Rolex or Casio faces is the Clockology fans Facebook page. But if you want a free premium luxury Apple Watch face, a little collection, head to buckleandband.com's blog, or I'll put a link again within this so you can download those faces. Once downloaded to the Files app on your iPhone, open Clockology and then simply open the Clockology from the import section of the app. This will import the watch face from Buckle & Band into the Clockology app. Once it's on there, make sure you have the app open on your Apple Watch and then tap the little orange icon. This will sync the face to the Apple Watch. Job done. You've now got thousands of faces for your Apple Watch. Make sure to follow and like for more Apple Watch tips.